In today's video, I am going to teach you how to work Intercom. We will walk through the main areas you will use day to day, so you can respond to customers, set up AI support, automate routing, send proactive messages, and review user history with confidence. Start by clicking the inbox icon. This is your command center for active customer conversations. Here you will see ongoing chats and any new messages waiting for a reply. Open a conversation to read the full thread, then reply directly in the same view. As you work through the inbox, focus on keeping responses clear and consistent. It also helps to scan the conversation for context, like what the customer already tried, so you do not repeat steps or miss important details. Next, navigate to Fin AI. This is where you connect your help content, so the AI can answer common questions automatically. Look for the option to sync your help articles and complete that sync, so Fin AI can reference your most up-to-date information. For best results, make sure your articles are written clearly and match what customers actually ask. When your content is current, the AI can reduce repetitive tickets and speed up resolutions. After that, click Automation, then click Workflows. Workflows let you build structured paths that route chats to specific teams. This is useful for sending billing questions to one group and technical issues to another, without manual sorting. As you build a workflow, keep the routing logic simple at first. You can always refine it later once you see where conversations tend to bottleneck. Then select Outbound and choose Messages. This is where you send proactive updates to your users, including announcements or email-style communications. Use this area to share product news, planned maintenance updates, or helpful guidance. Keep your message short, timely, and relevant, so users understand what is changing and what they need to do, if anything. Finally, open Contacts. This section shows user data and their previous interaction history. When you view a contact, you can quickly see past conversations and patterns, which helps you personalize support and avoid asking for information they already provided. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.